Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new rainy day here in France. But listen, it's a good thing that it's raining today because we have something exciting planned for the family to do today as a family activity, and we won't get to go outside, so it's a perfect day for that. So I get to partner with Aliexpress on their 12th anniversary campaign. And they have so many amazing products over there. Not just that their products are amazing, but the prices for these products that they have on AliExpress is worth every single purchase. So I got the opportunity to collaborate with them on some of their products, but today I'll be showcasing their stand mixer. And the moment I got to look through all the products that AliExpress has, I just had to go with this mixer because the price for it caught my eye, the mixer caught my eye, and it's a perfect product for my household, so hence why I go with the stand mixer. So I'm gonna go ahead and discover this stand mixer with you guys, and the family and I are gonna go ahead and use it and test it out right away. Yes, you heard it right, we're gonna test it out. By the end of this video, you guys will see products that we make from the mixer. So let's discover this. I'm discovering with you guys because I want you guys to see the realness and all the pieces that comes with the stand mixer. To be honest, I already went ahead and read the manual, which it comes with very detailed manual. So I recommend that you guys go ahead and read your manual when you go ahead and purchase this. I'm going to say when you purchase it because I know you guys will click the link down below and purchase this mixer because it's too good to be true. Now, like I said, I already went ahead and read the mixer's manual, but I haven't took the parts out of the plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the parts out of the plastic and out of the box so that I can get them clean, attached to the mixer, so we can dive right into using this mixer. So the mixer comes with 3 different, should I say, blades? It comes with 3 different blades. This is one, this is another one, and I'll show you the others as we go along. Wow, look at this stylish bag in here. So inside this bag, I'm discovering we have a little hook thing going on here. I'll discover what this is for. Oh, I have a brush and I have a knife, a fork, and a spoon in here. Okay, so I guess this is a little gift that comes with the set. Oh, there's another bag. Let's discover what's in it. Okay, so we have the same thing, the same set that I just showed you guys in here. So that comes with 2 little gifts in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out the mixer gently out of this box. You want to make sure that you're on a good surface where you're not too short like I am, where you have to put it down on the floor, because you don't want to make anything break, nothing fall. And there you have it. So that's the rest of the mixer. Boom, out of the box. Let me position the camera so you guys can see me properly. Not just see me, but see all the parts of this mixer. So my mixer is white and gray. All right, come through mixer. Wow, this is so beautiful. Ah, can you guys tell I'm excited? Everything came well plastic cup and okay. So you have the mixing bowl attached to the mixer already. Okay, so you have a whisk in here. Let me see if I can remember. Oh, there we go. I remembered. So we have the mixing bowl, which is a pretty good size. Oh my gosh, isn't this cute? And it's very strong too. So you have a mixing bowl, you have the whisk, which is already attached to the mixer. As you guys can see, I already read the manual, so I know how to take it off. So you have a whisk, you have a flat beater, which is this one, and you have a kneading hook. So it came with 3 hooks, and if you guys are really into baking, then you would know that these are the 3 most important hooks these are the 3 most important things that you would want to bake any products. You have one to do the bread, you have this to beat any liquid or eggs and stuff like that, and you have this one which you can whisk egg and liquid and stuff like that. You also have the lid, which comes to cover the mixing bowl. This is the splash guard, which goes over the lid so that nothing can splash out of your bowl while mixing. So there you have it, guys. The mixer, it's easy to use. It also comes with a speed from 1 to 6. So 0 to 6 speed, 1 being the lowest and 6 being the highest. To attach the bowl to the mixer, you put your bowl in and you give it a little turn to lock. Then you attach whichever whisk or beater that you want. You attach it. Pretty easy to do. You attach it and give it a turn. And when you give it a turn, when you turn it, it's literally locked. Just lock the swivel arm onto the mixer. You squeeze this and put it down until you hear a click. And to unlock it, you do the same. Press it and pull it back until you hear a click. And you pretty much can detach all the things that you want to do. Now, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the mixer. Wipe it down, wipe off all the equipment, and get the kids and babe, and we can go ahead and start using our mixer. Now, you guys, please, I'm asking you, go ahead and click the link down below and purchase your mixer. It will worth every single penny, and they have things over on Aliexpress up to 70% off, and you can also get free shipping. Now, click the link down below for this mixer. It's down below, you guys. Please click it. When you guys click and purchase, it will mean a lot to me. It will mean a lot to my collaboration. So please go ahead and buy this mixer. And don't worry about space within your kitchen if you have a small kitchen. This mixer is so neat. You don't have to worry about it taking up a lot of space. I've been wanting a stand mixer since forever, and this is a dream come true. I'm so excited to go ahead and use it. Help make Aliexpress 12th anniversary with me an experience. How to clean all the parts before use is in the manual. How to clean it after use is in the manual. How to maintain it is in the manual. So as long as you read your manual, you will be able to take care of your mixer before and after use. Guys, I have my babies with me. Stella, say hello.
Walk one.
Say hello, Faves. Sarah, look. Say hello, Faves. Sarah, enjoy eating the butter. Look, say hello, Faves.
Hello, Faves.
What are you doing? You're eating? Ty, we're going to bake. Back up.
Wow!
Okay, come. You have a duty. Here, Sarah. This one is for you. Here. Knife. Here. Alright, you guys, so the kids and I are going to be making a 3-ingredient biscuit. So we are using flour, sugar, icing sugar that is, and butter. So first thing first, I have my mixer here ready. It's not yet plugged in. So we're going to take the butter. No, Sarah, we're doing butter first. Cut it. Take the butter and put it in the mixer bowl.
I can do it.
Yes, use this one. Put it, Sarah, put it. Sarah is making a mess. Put it, Sarah. Cut it. Yes, princess. No. Put it. Yes, Ty. Put it in. Good job. Wow. If I had just a hand mixer, this wouldn't be possible with the kids. But with the stand mixer, as you guys can see, I don't have to touch anything and they're just throwing in the ingredients. Good job, Sarah!
I can scrape it on the bowl.
No, just try and put it in. If you want to scrape it, you scrape it on the mixer like that, okay?
Okay.
Good job, Sarah!
Had a big one.
Alright, you guys, so there you have it. We're gonna go ahead and close the mixer. So all I'm going to do is press this little button right here at the side, give it a squeeze, and then pull the lever down. And as you guys can see, it's concealed very tightly. Nothing cannot come out of the mixer. But if you look at the side here, you have a hole where you can see in the machine if anything needs to be adjusted and such. So we're gonna go ahead and start the mixer and see how it operates. So let's do this. Go. Whoa. Sugar, 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 sugar. Putty, 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 putty. So we add half. Good job.
Yay!
And we lock. Bravo, princess. Good job. Let it go now. It's closed. Good job. Now we mix. You guys, this is me just pausing and scraping down any little thing that I needed to go down in the mixer, but that's completely normal. My mixture is mixing so well. I have no splashes, no spills, nothing coming out of the mixer, and it's just operating. It's really operating beyond my expectations. Down the mixer right now as I finish using it. I'm just using a damp cloth to wipe down the mixer properly before I store it. The other parts I'm going to wash them, dry them, and store them properly. Do one more circle here. Put it. Press, Sarah, press, press, press it, press it, strong, press, 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 yay! Wow, bravo, Sarah. Tyler, you did what?
Star.
Star.
Whoa.
You on the boat? Okay, boat. Do a boat here. No, Ty, not that little one. We're not using that one. Too little. No, Sarah, use this one. Sarah, press the boat. Press it. Press, 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 press the boat. Yes, Star, you can. Yay, Star.
I did a circle.
You did a circle?
Yay.
Yay. Woohoo. All right, first batch going into bake. 15 minutes. Ready? Go in.
I'm ready to eat cookie later.
There goes my biscuits looking lovely from my Aliexpress stand mixer. So there you go. So mixer is legit. So you guys don't have to worry about if the mixer will make your products comes out amazing. As you guys can see, it's a clear evidence that biscuits comes out really good, looking delicious. Anyway, you guys, go ahead and click the link down below right now to purchase your stand mixer and experience the goodness that I experienced. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Comment down below how you like my experience using the mixer and what you like most about the mixer. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye, guys. Sarah, say bye, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
One biscuit for you. Bye. Giving you guys a close-up of the biscuits. We already ate some of them.